It's Mindy from Time to Unwind, and for me, there is not much more interesting and fun than to get things in the mail. And I am going to do a teeny tiny little unboxing here because I have two different shipments from Darn Good Yarns. The first one is one of their monthly, well, you can always get their mystery things. And so I got a closeout yarn and a mystery item. These are really inexpensive, so these I can afford to do even though I'm not working anymore. And so my mystery item here is, and then cover it. Oh my, they have really, there it is. They've packaged it well. And what is it? It's all sorts of, I'm thinking buttons. And it is. There's flamingos, there are wee little buttons, there are more wee little buttons, more wee little buttons, more flamingos, more wee little buttons. Ooh, there are some, these look like charms. There's some bigger buttons that look like some sort of a strange animal. There's some little heart buttons. And you got me, I don't know what these things are. Let's see. And the dog's excited about something. These are some sort of hoops with animals on them. I see foxes. There's a lion. An owl. I see all sorts of different animals. So that's fun. That's came in this recycled silk sari bag. That's cool. And with it, a ball of Botki Superwash wool yarn in the color Waterways. No book with this. So, and it's what? 50 grams. So that is very cool. I'm kind of excited. I haven't gotten a wool one in a little while. So, and then they had a warehouse sale. And so I got another mystery item. And it was another big thing of buttons. And these are mostly flamingo buttons, I see. Which, while I'm not going to make that many things with flamingos on them, I will find a use for them. I can probably find a use for them making some sort of a craft at the Fiber Festival. Now, what I have in this box that I ordered, these look nice. Okay, most of my time I have to wear double socks, and these are fleece-lined wool socks. So I would only have to put on one pair. Or if I want to give them as gifts, they'll make nice boot socks or slipper socks. And there's this pair, which is called, I think this is Machu Picchu. I'm guessing. I can't remember the names. And this pair is Whiteface Mountain. And this pair is Colorado Rockies. They're one size fits all, or most adult. And then I got one more thing. I just couldn't pass this up. This is a warehouse clearance sale, and it's still going on as of when I'm talking to you. They have a yarn winder. And honestly, I've had my yarn winder for well over 20 years. I don't even remember how long it's been. Mine's blue. I got this for less than half that cost. They haven't gone up, but you never see them for less. So I might do a demonstration on how to use a yarn winder, just because I don't see too many of those out there. But for now, that was my excitement. I've got one other thing that came in, but when I unbox it, it's from a different provider, and when I unbox it, I want to show it to you. And that will be something that will come up in the near future. So, enjoy. If you enjoy watching things being unboxed, hit the like button, you hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and hit the bell so that you can know when next we're going to have another video up. And relax, unwind, and see you soon.